what is the best tool that we have? Well, let's think about this. What is the best tool we have in auto detailing when we are doing any type of cleaning? It's our hands, right? Okay, I'm going to show y'all a little trick, tip, I guess, tool of mine that I use, okay? I'm going to show you the tires real quick. We've got dirt, grease and grime, traffic film, whatever you want to say. Alright, y'all can see that. Got some up there. Okay, let me back up a little bit. Sorry, the lighting's not the best, but you can see we got dirt on here, okay? And then if we come over here, we got dirt back here and down here, okay? Y'all clean inside the wheel wells, you know how dirty they get, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna put a little super clean, I guess you can say, or I don't know what I got over here, something, but I'm gonna zoom in. I'm just gonna go to that spot right over here and focus the camera on that, okay? So y'all can kind of get an idea. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this, or a thumbs down. Either way, I appreciate all the support. We'll get the cleaner going real quick in here. We'll zoom out just a little bit more, and then I'll bring y'all in. So the reason I can move fast on vehicles, and I showed this in the Dallas Paint Correction group, is because I use 2 of these. And when I'm using 2 of these, it helps me also when I'm wanting to grab tools, and it protects my hands also from, like, when you're getting closer to the ground and I bang my knuckles in the wheel wells also. I think everybody can has clean enough wheels. You can use this in the engine bay. It works great in the engine bay. Mud flaps, I mean door jabs, everything. You can still grab the hose, you can still grab your tools, you can still use your brushes, okay? There is padding in here, and I cannot find my phone. I will put a link in the description. I want to say these are at Walmart. They're at Walmart. That's where I bought these. And then the other one I've seen are at AutoZone. I've seen them for $5 to $6 a piece, and I bought 3 or 4 just to kind of mess around. But I saw some blue ones at AutoZone. They work great. They're fantastic, and you can get inside and all that stuff. You may have seen them before. I don't know. Craft Microfiber Glove, I think that's the name of them. Don't beat me up over it. I'm sorry if I forgot. I'll put a link in the description. I got 2 of them for under $10 with free shipping from Walmart, okay? Love these things. I will use 2 of these, okay? And I will just go to town, and it's got another side to it. Don't want any of that drying, so I'll spray some cleaner on while I'm still talking, sorry. But they have padding in here, okay? And it's nice because, yeah, you can see my knuckles, but there's some padding right there, some foam padding. So like I said, when you're going down to the ground and your knuckles and you're moving all around, moving fast and all that stuff, well, you ain't got to worry about it, okay? So I'm gonna dismount y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all in, and then we'll do a little rinse off. I'm gonna try to move slow. I don't want to bore y'all, but here you go, okay? So you can see it, got the dirt, grease, and grime in there, and I'm just gonna scrub, okay? And you can see right there, here we go. Maybe better lighting right here, I'm sorry. All right, right there. Back up a little bit, make sure I get the lighting right. Boom. Now I can just keep going to town, and I'll just move around and stuff like that. And then I'll come over here. Sometimes you'll get some like tar or just thicker mud in the back. I think that's just the nature of you getting slung, but you got it all back here. And then you can scrub, and then if you have something that's really stubborn, switch it to this side. It's like the microfiber bug sponge, and just start scrubbing, and it will knock that dirt loose, okay? I'm not gonna sit here and just waste your time, but I wanted to show you all that. It is a great tool. Like I said, door jabs, jams, whatever. Can't think of the name of it. Anywhere between the mud flaps, engine bay, inside as far as you can get. Sometimes, especially you have big old areas to get in there, it's nice to do, okay? So I'll rinse off, and then I'll bring you in. I'm gonna take this off really quick, and I'll just show you real quick. It's a great tool, and it's why it saves me so much time, okay? It is why. And I'll go right in where that spot is, because that's where y'all can see the best lighting, right there, okay? It is clean, and right over here, I'm not gonna rinse, but y'all got the idea, okay? It'll bust that stuff up. If I was to take a brush, it hurts, and if you have your hands, hands are smaller and they're protected, well, guess what? It's nice. So anyways, I hope this helps y'all out. Again, a lot of people in that Dallas Paint Correction group asked me about this, and I wanted to share. So hope you have a great day. Stay safe, wash your hands, and spend time with your loved ones. I'll catch y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.